Yes people, what is going on? Back again with another video. This time we've got the legendary, the one and only Toyota Supra Mark IV with the 2JZ twin turbo setup. That is right, got it in the beautiful white BBS rims, Recaro bucket seats, and my oh my, what a machine this is. The power it has, oh my days, unbelievable. But yeah, it's just such a fun car to be with. Got it in a 6-speed as well, manual. So again, we're back at Mount Tsukuba in Japan, just having a nice drive on the weekend. Today's absolutely boiling hot. Oh, listen to that straight 6. Sick. Oh man, I love this engine. I had the non-turbo on, I had a GS300 Lexus, and I had the same engine on that, but obviously the non-turbo one, and I absolutely loved that. And that was NA in automatic. So yeah, that was good. So this is the first time I'm trying the twin turbo with a manual, and it is a difference, a massive difference. Oh, somebody crashed into that barrier. I've just noticed on this road they've put these little signs up, so it tells you how many curves there is on this actual road and the actual distance to the road. If I see one, I'll try and point it out. I'm not gonna lie, this Supra I'm driving now can be improved with the brakes. I'm finding the brakes are quite sloppy. You know, beggars can't be choosers at this point. And again, I think maybe the suspension could do a little, throw some coilovers on there, tighten it up, because I think it's got the stock at the moment. And even the power delivery, I'm kind of finding it a bit sluggish. It's not bad, but you know, things can be improved, especially on this machine. You've seen what people get up to these, and yeah, it can sound a lot better. Oh, there you go, there's one of the signs. So 9 out of 13 curves, not bad. Hopefully we don't get stuck behind some slow cars. I just got stuck behind a Prius for the whole way. Oh, that's a nice bike. Quite a few cyclists again on the road. Oh, that engine is so nice. But it's a shame, it could have sounded so much better. I've heard them sound with a nice exhaust, nice intake. Don't get me wrong, this one does have an exhaust and intake, but just something about it, whoever's tuned it. Oh, and you want to see the best. You got a Supra, you want to bring out the best. But anyway, oh, this guy's still changing his tyre. What happened? Saw him like 30 minutes ago. Sticking to the road. Got some new tyres on here. Civic, yeah, that's looking nice. I haven't seen too many cars up here today, but we'll soon find out. I've only sort of just arrived. Be interested to find out what's it like between the single and the twin turbo setups in these. So if anyone's got one, let me know. Throw it in the comments. What do you prefer, the twin or the single? There you go, classic car there. Toyota Yaris, or a Vitz as it's called over here. Hey, that's that new Yaris, the 4-wheel drive 1.6 GR. Oh, this car is so nice. See that? R32. Looked like a GTS, but nevertheless, beautiful looking car. The power delivery is just so smooth on this thing. On the motorway or highway, as you say, this will be a lot of fun on the top speed runs. What's that? Got the, was that a 370 GT? I know in America they're called Infinities. Obviously here they're Nissans. Oh, sorry, that's a Skyline, isn't it? They call that a Skyline, or the new version, 370 or whatever. Oh, we're gonna get stuck. Who's slowing us down? Always the K cars. Always the K cars slowing us down. Guess that's it, that's the fun ended for today. But no, that's fine. We'll take a drive, take it easy, take it slow, and just enjoy the road. Good day as well. But the Skylines are not bad, they look pretty nice. Another GR Yaris, same colour as well. Yeah, the handling on this thing is so nice, but like I said, it could be made so much better. Let's just let them go up ahead. Just the sound of that sounds so nice. Just put a window down. Hopefully it doesn't pick up a lot of the wind noise. love the sound of a 2JZ. Then again, I know you got people on the RB side, but me, I'm gonna go 2JZ all day, every day. Anyway, we're coming up to the end of this course. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos I got going. There's a little meet here. Let's give it a little final push. Yeah, as I was saying, check out my Instagram. Usually take daily photos and stuff when I'm around in Japan of cars, if you're into cars, JDM and all that. Suppose you would be into cars if you're watching this. But yeah, until next time, if you've got any recommendations on what to bring up here next, let me know. And yeah, thanks again for watching. All right, peace.